Here white box testing having three types. Okay, so first of all I will write that is part testing. Okay, what's the part testing here? This is a type of white box testing. Okay, in this part testing we write flow graphs. Okay, and test all independent parts and test all independent parts. Okay, so in this part testing, this here, I think you are getting my point. Here you are writing the flow graphs and test all independent paths. Writing flow graph means what? You are representing the flow of program, how each program is interlinked with each other. What is the meaning of flow graph? It is representing the flow of program, how each program is interlinked with each other. Okay, I will tell you example. Okay, no, this is your main function. Okay, this is your main function, main program, and this is the function 1, function 4, function 2, function 3, function 5, function 6, function 7. For the main function, the function 2 is interlinked with function 7. So the function here, function 1 is interlinked with function 3, function 4, function 5, function 6. Okay, and so on. So if you write in this way the flow graph of the program, then you can find easily bugs. Okay, so anything changes in any function, in which interlinked functions they will find the bug, so it will be easier to find the bug. Okay, so for that purpose part testing is very important. Okay, so what is white box testing? White box testing is testing independent parts of a flow chart. Okay, so I think you understood what is white box testing. Now we will move on to the condition testing. Okay. Here, see here, the second part is condition testing of white box system. Condition testing. Okay, in condition testing, test all the testing for all the conditions. Like if you are testing for if condition, then you must do the testing for else condition. That is, you are testing for entire logic. Okay, suppose here the program is there, if condition equals to true. Okay, whatever you are giving any command between this, if it is working for if condition, then the condition should work for else also. For false also it should work. For true also it should work, and false also it should work. The program should work correctly for both conditions. That is, if condition is true, then else should be false, and vice versa. Okay, that is about the condition testing. Okay, because if you are not testing the one else between this, if you are testing only for the if, and if you are not testing for the else, then you will find the more bugs. If customers found the for the else condition, then it will be a several loss of the business. So the condition testing is most important. Okay, now hi guys, so what is loop testing? Test the loops for while, do while, for the cycles, and also check for terminating conditions if working properly, and if the size of condition is sufficient enough. For example, let us consider a program wherein the developer has given about 1 lakh loops. Okay, suppose you have 1 lakh loops. We cannot test this manually for all 1 lakh cycles. So we write a small program here like test A. Okay, here I will write to write the automation test script which checks for all 1 lakh loops. This test A is known as unit test. Okay, so the test program is written in the same language as the source code program. Developers only write the test program. Here if you have the requirements A, B, C, D, E, then the developers will write for this such type of conditions for 100 loops or 1 lakh loops, program A, program B, program C for this respective requirements. Okay, so the drawback of can be corrected in the following way. We write a test program for the corresponding code. Developers write this test programs in the same language as the source code. The developers then run this test program, also called as an unit test. Okay, you can see like this: program write, test A run, requirement B, program B, test B, requirement D, program D, test D, requirement D, program E, test D. The collection of test program is known as test suite. So what is test suite? The collection of test program is known as test suite. As early we catch the bug, cost of fixing the bug will be less. If we delay in catching the bug, cost of fixing will be increase exponentially. So hi guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to all your friends. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment. Be connected. Okay, I will come with many ideas for the QA process. Okay, happy for all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.